Alright guys, today making Lapras. I don't know, I don't remember how to say it. But this started out with the intention of this being a 15-minute speed sculpt. It ended up taking close to an hour in total. So it's sped up about 4.5, I want to say. 4.5 times, but it turned out okay. I've noticed some weird laggy issues with my tablet lately, and I don't really know what they are, and it's upsetting me. But thanks for watching, and I'll comment periodically throughout the video. I'll see you in the next one if you don't watch the rest of this. Thanks, bye. Alright, right about here, you're going to see it blink for a second. I'm not entirely sure what's going on. It crashed, it did this 3 times. I think I might have missed the second one. But, anywho, this is all part of the weird stuff that's been going on that I'm not happy with. And it's after doing some talking to the guy that develops the app online. I asked him a few questions. Apparently iPads are just way stronger than even this tablet, even though it's top of the line for the Android. But oh well, it is what it is. Gotta work with what you got, right? If you liked what you see, be sure to hit that sub button, that like, and leave a few comments if you got any questions or want to make a request. See you in the next one.